Hi, it's Nick Stekovich, Project Management Revolution, and in this video, I'm going to tell you the one secret that's going to make you a top earning project manager. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. So we're talking today about the one secret that's going to make you a highly paid and top project management professional. So I don't want to prolong this video. I'm going to make it nice and short for today. And it's pure and simple. You know, the key really is to selling yourself, right? That's the real truth about making more money. It's all about sales. It's all about marketing yourself. It's all about, you know, how you present yourself, you know, from your resume to the interview and so forth. And really, there's sort of a what I call a prescription for this entire theme. And it's not only actually just about your resume and about your interview skills, but it actually goes beyond that. And it's a combination of many different things. I'm going to kind of give away a few things in this video, and perhaps later on down the road in other videos, I might actually reveal more of what my secret formula is to landing top paid contracts in project management. But one of the most important things to actually getting quick and fast to these roles and opportunities where you're going to be eventually getting paid top dollar is making sure that you stay no longer than a year in a company, right? Why is that so important? It really is important because after a year, most likely a lot of the projects these days are not longer than 6 months or a year, right? So chances are that out of those 6 months or a year, you were able to acquire, maximize your knowledge from that organization, whether that's directly on projects, directly with people, directly with processes. And so you've improved on things, you've actually learned new things, and you're now ready to kind of pack up and leave, right? And again, this only happens if you're most likely working with contracting jobs, because most of the contracts are 3 months, 6 months, maybe 1 year, maybe if you're lucky 2 years, depending again what the project is, right? So switching from that one role to the next role, or one project to the other project, is kind of the key. Also, another factor that will make you very interesting is also switching industries, right? So you might decide maybe you're going to be 2 years in banking, working on maybe a couple projects. Then you're going to jump over to maybe insurance, or maybe you're going to switch into media, and maybe you're going to switch into maybe automotive or something else that's very different, because that's going to give you the ability to absorb working with different types of personalities, different types of people, different types of surroundings, different types of asks, requirements, the different type of processes, right? I'm not sure if I mentioned processes, but processes are also key because, for example, a project in media is not necessarily managed the same way as a project in banking, right? It's a different type of clients, different types of end customers, right? So by switching from one industry to the other, you're going to be learning a lot. And believe it or not, you know, at the end of the day, by acquiring all this knowledge, you're going to be having a mix of all these different experiences, which will then allow you to quickly jump to these future projects. And obviously, you know, as projects get more intense, the end employer is looking for someone that can quickly kind of jump to things and can really manage. This is where you're going to be really, really shining. So to recap, you know, the first thing is about, you know, presentation skills or sales skills, marketing skills, so interview and resume. The other thing is the ability to not stay more than 1 year in one particular role, and also preferably if you can switch from an industry to industry, ideally, maybe every 2 to 4 years to switch from one industry to another would be ideal. And there's also a couple of other things. Like one of the other things is the ability to learn how to manage waterfall and an agile type of project, and kind of combine it into a hybrid model that you're flexible to work with. And the best thing, again, that kind of ties back into what I've mentioned earlier, is that whole experience of working in different industries, because these different industries will give you a glimpse or give you the foundation or how to manage these different types of projects. And by learning from a project to project from various industries, you'll build your own idea, or sort of like your own approach into how you can walk into an organization that really doesn't have a straight up Scrum or Lean or whatever you want to call framework or methodology that you will kind of have to figure out. And by having exposure to these different industries and different projects and processes and people, you'll have that expertise to be able to quickly jump and figure out a solution for it. So wanted to give you a few of these pointers. Didn't want to give everything away. If you want to learn more about all of these tips and tricks and how to utilize tools, processes for any type of industry, in any type of situation, how to master personalities, how to master pretty much yourself and anything in order to maximize your income and your potential for future in project management, click the link below. Schedule a free strategy session with me, Project Management Revolution, with me and my team, and we will make sure to sit down with you, take a look at where you are currently in your situation, and we'll devise a proven strategy that's going to take you to where you want to be. So stay tuned to these project management videos, and I'll see you real soon.